So we got the card reader and we have a tether for it. So we got our tether spot right there. We got a USB-C and we got a USB-A. On the front we got micro SD and we got a regular SD. Test be using a SanDisk Extreme Pro. And we're going to be using USB-C port. So I did pick that up right away. And we are reading the files currently on it. And let's run a speed test. By 8 process 1 thread, we got 91.39 on the read and 85 on the write. For the sequential 1 by 1 process 1 thread, we got 90 on the read and 86 on the write. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 6 and 1. And for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, worst case scenario, we got 5 and 1. So not the best piece in the world, but we'll get the job done. I think the thing that's going to make this stand out to me is just going to be the size and the fact that we have both USB-A and USB-C. So what I'm going to be using this for is going to be with my GoPro. So basically I can just take this thing, throw it in the bag with GoPro. Anytime I need to get that footage off there, doesn't matter what kind of computer I'm at, and be able to pull that information off of this. So if you have a use case similar to that,